Phonics of an. A, n, an. K, an, can. F, an, fan. M, an, man. P, an, pan. V, an, van. Can, fan, man, pan, van. A pan with a fan. A man with a can. A man and a van. A word to remember. With, with. More words. D and Dan. R and ran. D and Dan. Dan, ran, Dan. Thank you, God.